We got Dean's Furs over here. We're gonna throw on the Raves banner. And then we got this guy's Honda Civic. Look at that boy. This is the sick banner that we got going. Damn, look at that. I like the way that we got like the stars going though. The stars are sick. All right, who wants to pull in first? You wanna bring in the first? Yeah? Bro, this car looks so naked right now. No front lip, no side skirt, no wheels. Yeah, you're good. Yo, all right, first up, give it a little clean.
No, it's actually a neat video.
Cute. Yo, the furs is gonna look so much better.
Yo. You know what I was actually thinking, bro? Because they're like smaller, right? Bro, you get 3 of them and stack them, bro. Like 1, 2, 3, bro. Looks sick, bro. Bro, looks sick, bro.
It's okay, that's what my car's for, bro. It's gonna be covered in stickers.
Jeez. Looks straight?
I'm saying.
It does look.
Let me
I
see.
think it looks straight. I think that is.
It is a little hard to get straight. How's that look though?
I think that's good.
All right, I need a squeegee. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah?
Yo, I like it. I like it a lot.
I think it's sick.
Bring this car out, and then Raph, you gotta bring your car in. Damn, dog.
You're like a windshield wiper, bro. Go from the side.
Second banner, throwing on second banner, we're throwing on Rafi's little SI. Is that straight?
Seems pretty straight.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. This thing is like.
Yeah, I'll get that, but where it is right now, does that look good?
Yeah.
You like that?
It looks pretty straight.
Yeah, it looks straight. Almost good, no? I like it. That's hard. Yeah, it is. I see him.
Oh, you did?
Sanger!
Oh,
Look at Sanger being a nice guy, yo. Alright, boy. Get this Honda Civic out of here. Alright, Sanger, you're up for the banner. Oh, yeah, bud. Ooh. Ooh. Looks pretty good, no?
No?
Yeah. Jeez. We're done. We got what? 4 cars with the banners on right now. Alright, we're gonna fly parking lot and get some photos of all the Rave stickers.